Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Yoniadiana. In this video, I will give my opinion about 6 investment topic. Some I agree and some I disagree. Okay, first is gold. I agree that gold is a protective investment during the economic crisis or war. Why? Because gold will never reach zero value. However, I disagree. I disagree with gold being a primary investment. The reason is that gold does not generate interest or dividends. You only profit when the price you only profit when the price rises, and that after deducting storage and purchase costs. So keep gold at a maximum of 10% of your portfolio. Second is banking system. I agree that the banking system is safe for storing emergency funds and facilitates daily transaction. However, I disagree with considering saving in a bank as an investment. Why? Because current saving interest rate are only around 0.5 to 1% per year. And then while inflation is reaching 3 or 5%. This means your money is actually in value. Yes, bank only liquid, not for building wealth. The third is livestock. I disagree with livestock as an investment. For most people, their risks are too high because selling livestock is not instant. It takes time and auction fees. Even if you agree, only if you're experienced and have extensive land. If you are a beginner, then even try it. Okay, next a boarding house. I agree that a boarding house can generate attractive monthly cash flow, but I disagree with them if they are done without preparation. Why? Because you have to be prepared for tenants who don't pay or damage the room. Also, empty rooms mean you're still paying electric and water bills without any income. Okay, that's it. So boarding house are a good option after you have at least 6 months worth of emergency funds. Next is land. I agree that land is an excellent long-term investment. It's limited and its value and its value uh, to hike for years. However, I disagree with buying and I disagree with buying land in random location. Land in swamps, remote forests, or flooded areas will be difficult to sell even for years. In conclusion, buy land near a developing city close to road access and be prepared to wait at least 5 years. Okay, the last is stock. I strongly agree that stock are the best investment for the average person. It's liquid, can be started with little capital, and historical has a return of 10 to 12% per year, beating inflation. But I don't agree with buying individual stock without research. Many beginners lose money by following the crowd. My advice is to buy an index like the 500 or a stock mutual fund. This spreads the risk and eliminates the need for daily monitoring. Hold for at least 10 years. Okay, maybe that's all for today's opinion. See you in another videos.